Hello, today we're looking at a New Holland 18-inch by 18-inch spin dryer brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt, 3-phase. It is a model K90 from New Holland. Very nice refurbished condition. Take a walk around. The load capacity is 150 pounds on this one. Has a 2 horsepower motor there on the bottom right. And come back around here to the control panel. It does have forward and reverse controls. You can see with the green and the blue. Stop is in the middle. Take a look inside the cabinet here. Power it up here in a second. To stop it, you can either hit the red button or step down on this brake here, which is what we will do. So we'll now start it up, see and hear it run. Again, I'll step down on the brake. Stops the rotation. Take a look inside. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.